if we actually understand the causes and consequences of individual differences, then we can actually also think about good ideas to treat and to respond to the different needs. The idea is that if we understand the causes, what is causing individual differences, in retrospect are individuals different, then we can actually make specific applications, for example, to acknowledge individual differences in animal welfare as well as in animal conservation.
Societies are getting more and more individualized. So it's not, although many from us actually come from biology, it's not really only a biological topic. It's a topic across society, I'd say. And in biology, it became like a really fancy key topic in the last decades, in ecology, in behavior, which we study. But also we have like psychologists, right, that have been working on it forever. And everyone is asking basically, why is this individualization, or is it actually getting stronger? With more change. In societies we see it, right? In biology we can test it experimentally. So that's why we think it's such a big topic that kind of unites very, very different fields. And that's why we try to work on it also together. Yeah.
So we have a long, successful history in collaborating because we have the SFB together. We just know that we can work together very well. So it was clear that we should also join forces when it comes to studying individualization kind of more on a more interdisciplinary level.
Both universities have strengths and weaknesses, right? And so we play to both strengths. And so we combine basically, just as an example, in Bielefeld has a very strong animal behavior group, and Münster has a very strong evolutionary biology group, but we also have shared interests, right? For example, philosophy of sciences is well developed in both areas. And so I think the sum of both is more than the sum. I mean, we truly have an extra plus in the collaboration of both universities.
I mean, both universities are big universities, are full universities, but of course you have a whole set of experts at one university, you have a whole set of experts at the other university, and we can kind of complement each other in some ways. So we are complementing each other in some ways for some fields, but also we are kind of getting the critical mass also within fields, because people are working on very related topics. At least in my field in biology, we have people in Münster and at Bielefeld that work on very related topics, and then you actually get a critical mass to also do like some bigger projects. So it's complementation and pure quantity to get a critical mass, I think.
The big chance is in research that it is interdisciplinary. So for many of the big questions like climate change, we need this interdisciplinary approach.